Thank you. Okay, next. Who wants to try?
I will try.
Okay, ladies first again. Okay, okay. Should I start or you will start?
I will start.
Okay.
Ahoj,
Ahoj.
ako sa voláš?
Volám sa Michal, a ty?
Ja sa volám Hala.
Mhm.
Ako sa máš?
Mám sa dobre, a ty sa máš ako?
Ja sa mám tiež dobre.
Very good.
Odkiaľ si?
Ja som zo Slovenska, a ty?
Ja som zo Sýrie.
Mhm.
Ako prácu robíš?
Oh, very good. Ja som učiteľ, a ty?
Ja som študentka.
Super, very good.
Ja, koľko máš roku?
Pozor, koľko máš rokov? Rokov.
Koľko máš rokov?
Ja mám 42 rokov, a ty?
Ja mám 26 rokov.
Very good. And you can ask about the hobby.
Aké máš hobby?
Výborné. Ja mám rád šport. A ty?
Ja mám rád archery.
Výborné. Lukostrelba. Lukostrelba. If you say
Lukostrava.
lukostrelba. If you say archery, I think most Slovak people will not understand. You need to say lukostrelba. Luko.
Okay.
Look is bow. Look is bow. And strelba means shoot. Lukostrelba.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Next.
I try.
Okay.
I ask or you ask?
As you want. I can ask or you can ask.
I will ask.
Okay.
Ako sa mám?
Mám sa dobre, a ty?
Ja sa mám tiež dobre. Ako sa voláš?
Volám sa Michal, a ty?
Ja sa volám Dušan. Odkiaľ si?
Ja som zo Slovenska, a ty?
Ja som zo Sýrie.
Super.
Aké máš hobby?
Ja mám rád šport. A ty?
Ja mám rád drawing. I forget.
Rowing?
Drawing. I forget the word. Drawing, like painting or.
Sorry. Kreslenie. Kreslenie. I'm sorry. Okay. Kreslenie. Okay.
What else? Koľko máš rokov?
Ja mám 42 rokov. A ty?
Ja mám 20 rokov.
Very good. A akú prácu robíš?
What?
Akú prácu robíš? Job.
Yes. Akú prácu... ja forget. Ja som student, for example.
Ja som študent. Napríklad, okay. Okay, there is a question in chat. Saya is asking if she can take a break. I will suggest we can have a break at 11 if it's okay. Is it okay at 11? It's about 24 minutes and we can have a break. No. Yes, 24 minutes. Is it okay? For you?
Yes,
No problem.
Good.
Okay. So after 24 minutes, we will have a break. So let's hold on for a while, and then we will take a short break. Okay. So who wants to try next? Anybody else wants to try? If not, I think this is from my presentation. This is all. So I will send you this presentation after the class, and you can, maybe I can send it here, but I will not send it here in the chat because I think there are some people who are not connected today. So maybe I will send it to email, this PDF file. Okay.
Okay, I have a question.
Okay.
When we say Akimaj hobby, and like you say, Yamam Rad, for example, Plavamnie,
Plavanie.
Ati. When we say Ati, after that we say Yamam Rad Plavam or Ya Rad Plavam. We say Mam in between.
If you say Rad, which Rad means to like something. So if you say Rad, you should say Yamam Rad Plavanie. And if you say plavam or plavam, you can say yarat plavam. So if you use like a neutral form of the verb, which is plavanie, you should say yamam rat plavanie. If you say if you say the word in a first person, like plavam, ya plavam, so you should say yarat plavam. Right? You don't say mam. Right? So this is a difference. So the verb, it's okay. The verb plavanie in every person, it's like this. Ja plavam. Ty plavaš. On plave. My plaveme. Vy plavete. Oni plavu. So this is something you need to memorize in all the forms, but it takes time. Don't worry about it. Okay. So, okay, I will stop sharing this document and I will share another one. Just a second.
Instead of Yamam Devatsat, like, can we use Yasom Devatsat?
No. You could use it, but you need to say Yasom 20 ročný, or you could say Yasom 20 rokov starý, which means I am 20 years old. Which, when you are 20, it's not very suitable because when you are 20, you are young. So you just say I am 20, ja mam 20, or ja mam 20 rokov, right? You can say ja som 20 ročný, but that's useless. Just ja mam 20, albo ja mam 20 rokov.
Okay.
Also, I want to say another thing. You learned today dobrý deň, dobré ráno, dobrý večer, dovidenia, ciao, ahoj. These are regular sort of greetings, but when you come to Slovakia, you will quickly find out that people use a lot of slang, a lot of slang words. So for instance, dovidenia, you can also say dobi. It's a short version, and dovidenia is formal, and dovi is not very formal. You shouldn't use it towards like a teacher or someone, because that sounds strange. You just say dovi to your friends or to your, like classmates and so on. But when you are not formal, you just say ciao, ahoj. But you can also say dovi. Also, ciao. Sometimes girls say ciao ki or ahoy ki, but these are like teenager girls, so you shouldn't use it. Especially boys don't say ahoy ki, ciao ki, only when they are making fun. And then you have dobre ráno. Sometimes older people say dobre ránko. Večer, they say just dobrý večer, that's the same. Dobrý deň, that's the same. And what else? Sometimes people say papa. When you go away, I say papa. But it's sort of like little children. You can say to children, "Papa," right? So you can also you will learn that a lot of times we use a lot of slang in Slovak language, especially younger people, and also a lot of sort of words that are from English. We have a lot of English words incorporated in Slovak language. So, for instance, outfit or meeting, or I don't know, these kinds of words are very often used in Slovak language. So when we speak. Okay, so I will try now to wait. Okay, I will try to share another document, which is the book. The book it's here, and everybody sees the book.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the concept of this book is like this book is called Krížom krážom, which is an interesting name. Krížom krážom means it's very difficult to translate. It's like mishmash. It's like when you go from one side to another side, and then you go to other side. It's Krížom krážom. It means like a mix. We can say like when you mix something, Krížom krážom. But that's not important. The important part is that this book is the concept of this book is these are the friends. Some of them are Slovak, some of them are foreigners, and they come to Slovakia to learn Slovak language. So there is like a Robert Šoltís, he's from Slovakia, zo Slovenska, manažér, 30 rokov. Potom je Carlo Biagotti, he's Italian, so je z Talianska, manažér, 28 rokov. Ne? Zuzana Šoltisová zo Slovenska, študentka, 23 rokov. A Johana Mark z Nemecka, študentka a má 21 rokov. So these will be sort of the characters in this book, and we will meet them and sort of like listen to their stories and learning the Slovak language with them. When you have names in Slovakia, so this is Robert Šoltís, usually we have first name, the first, and then last name is the second. Most of the time, people in Slovakia have just name and surname. Some people have two names, very, very rarely three names, but most of the times one name or two names. But I don't know many people who have two names, so it's just Robert, it is first name, and Šoltís is surname. So like my name is Michal, it's my first name, and Slanka is surname. So we usually use it in this kind of order. Sometimes you can see it other way around, but not it's not very often. So in Slovakia it's like this. And here are some phrases. So I don't know, these phrases are actually good, but sometimes I feel like they are too. Wait, somebody's writing something. Okay. Sometimes it seems that they are not very useful. So we can translate this just šťastnú cestu, Johanna. It means like have a happy journey or have a pleasant journey. You can say this when somebody is leaving for some kind of vacation, or when they are leaving to, I don't know, to other country, or they go traveling, you can say šťastnú cestu. Even when you go, for instance, when you fly from someone to another country, you can say šťastný let, which means like have a happy or have a pleasant flight. Then maj sa dobre, mama, which means like I wish you to I don't know. This is difficult to translate. Mama means mom, it's mother. Maj sa dobre is like have a good time, or and then you can say this is quite. I will pick the most important because some of them are not very useful right now. Nech sa páči. It is when you are inviting someone somewhere, or if you, as you can see here, Johanna is sitting and the old lady is coming into the train and she says nech sa páči, which means she is giving her seat for her, or inviting her in, nech sa páči. And she says ďakujem, which means thank you, right? And here is na zdravie, ďakujem. When somebody sneezes, so it's like a hapči, you can say na zdravie, na zdravie. And the other person said ďakujem. So this is a kind of specific, phrase. And then this is interesting. Hovoríte po slovensky, which means hovoriť means to speak, and po slovensky using Slovak language. So do you speak Slovak? And she says áno. Áno means yes. Áno is yes. And she asked back, hovoríte po nemecky? Do you speak nemecky means German? Do you speak German? Nie, no. So these are very important words. Áno means yes. Nie means no. Again, I will sort of add something to this. When you come to Slovakia, I think that when you will learn Slovak language, you will be at STU University. And you will find out that here in Bratislava, which is the capital of Slovakia, this is the western part of Slovakia. And in western part of Slovakia, our language we have a dialect, especially in Bratislava, which is a little bit, we can say, hard. So you can sometimes hear in Bratislava, this word they don't say nie, they say ne. It's not correct, but as I am from Bratislava, I can tell you a lot of people say that, nah. But correctly, it's nie. So when you want to speak correctly, you should say nie. So I can ask you, hovoríte po slovensky? And you can say áno or nie. Okay, let's try. So who wants to try with me?
I'll try.
Okay, I can use it. Yeah, I can use formal question on it or informal. Here it's formal. Hovoríte po slovensky. If it's informal, it's hovoríš. So I will use informal. Hovoríš po slovensky?
Nie. Hovorí
Nie.
po arabsky?
Super, very good. Hovorím po arabsky. Výborné. OK, niekto ďalší? Alebo ty sa mňa opýtaj. You ask me.
Okay. Hovorí po slovensky?
Áno. Hovorím po anglicky a hovorím
Áno.
po čínsky. Áno, výborné. A ja hovorím tiež po anglicky. Hovoríš po čínsky?
Nie.
Nie. Ja hovorím po čínsky. OK, niekto ďalší? Somebody else? Who wants to try?
I will try.
OK. Hovoríš po slovensky?
Can I say no? I am learning, or
Áno. You can say učím sa. I will write it in the chat. Učím sa po slovensky.
Okay.
Učím sa
učím sa po slovensky.
po slovensky, or učím sa hovoriť po slovensky. Which is the same. Učím sa po slovensky is I'm learning Slovak, and učím sa hovoriť po slovensky means I'm learning to speak in Slovak. Right?
Yes. Hovoriť po anglicky.
Hovorím, I am speaking, hovorím po anglicky.
No, I am asking you, so I say hovoriť
sorry.
po anglicky.
Áno, hovorím po anglicky. A ty?
Áno.
Áno. Alebo you can also say tiež.
Tiež?
Tiež.
What does it mean? Like
Tiež means too. Like me
Me
too.
too, like.
Me too.
Ah, okay.
Very,
Yes.
very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Someone else? Who wants to try with me?
I'll
I
try.
will try. It's the third time. Wait. You should start this time.
Okay, okay. So now, now, gentlemen first, okay? Okay, try. Hovoriš sorry, hovoriš po slovensky? So, try.
Nie.
Nie, okay. Okay, I will ask you this. Učíš sa po slovensky?
What?
Učíš sa hovoriť po slovensky? Are you learning speaking Slovak?
Áno.
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 A hovoríš po anglicky?
Áno.
Very
A
good.
tie?
Ja tiež. Ja tiež. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's change it. So now, maybe.
I will
Okay.
start.
Yeah, I can start. It's okay.
Okay.
Hovoríš po slovensky?
Áno, učím sa po slovensky.
Very good. A hovoríš po anglicky?
Áno.
And if you want to ask me?
Hovoríš po slovensky?
Áno. Áno. A ty?
What should I answer?
What you want. A ty means and you. So you can answer, ja sa učím po slovensky, alebo ja hovorím po slovensky. It's up to you.
Oh, okay. So it's ja hovorím po slovensky?
Áno. Very good. Very good.
Áno. Okay.
Very good. Okay. Super. Ešte niekto? Anybody else? Sorry, I'm constantly flipping languages. So anybody else? Is
Just a question.
Okay.
If I want to ask someone if he is learning Slovak,
You can. Učíš.
if I want to say I am learning Slovak, I say učím sa po slovensky.
Very good.
But if I want to ask someone, is he learning Slovak language?
If you asking someone like directly like you, so it's like, are you learning Slovak language? It's
Yes.
Učíš. I will write it. Učíš sa po slovensky? Učíš.
Oh, thank you.
I will write it to chat. Here. Učíš sa. Wait. I made a mistake. Okay. Učíš sa hovoriť po slovensky. Učíš sa hovoriť po slovensky. So you can ask this way. Of course, you can change the languages. Učíš sa hovoriť po anglicky. Hovoriť, you can use the word hovoriť, you can also not use it. So you can say učíš sa po slovensky, učíš sa po anglicky, or you can say učíš sa hovoriť po slovensky. Hovoriť means speaking. So essentially it means učíš sa, are you learning to speak Slovak? Okay? So
Thank you,
can
thank you.
use both of them. Okay, that's okay. Anyone? Or do you have any questions? Any other questions about this? Okay, so let's move on. Do you see the book? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So here another one. It's Zuzana is greeting the professor. She's Dobré ráno, pán profesor, and he answers Dobré ráno, Zuzana. So pán professor means like a Mr. Professor. Professor is somebody usually who teaches on university. and has a very high degree at university. That's a professor. And she said pan, which means Mr. If it would be a woman, it would be pani. Pani. Pan means man, Mr. And Mrs. is pani. So she says, Dobre ráno, pán profesor. Actually, she could also say, Dobre ráno, professor. That's okay. Pán professor is more, let's say, more formal.
Polite?
It's better to say, it's more polite. Yeah, it's more polite. But if you say, Dobre ráno, professor, that's not like, it's not like it's not polite, but it's better to say pán professor. Or if it's a woman, pani professor. And he answers, Dobre ráno, Zuzana. As you can see, he doesn't use anything before the word Zuzana. Zuzana is name because she's a student. She's younger, and so he doesn't have to use anything. This is nothing. Maybe here, dobrý deň, prosím. Prosím means please, and when you start to learn Slovak language, you will find out that we a lot of time use this word prosím, which means please, especially when you want something, when you want some favor, or when you want to ask for something. So, for instance, can I have a tea? Prosím si čaj. Right? I want a tea. Right? So you don't just say I want. Ja chcem. Chcem means want, but that's a little bit that's not very polite. You should say prosím si čaj. Right? Prosím means please. So we will see it later. And nech sa páči, ďakujem. Nech sa páči is like here you are. So when you are giving something to someone, you can say here you are, nech sa páči. And she says ďakujem, thank you, ďakujem. This is dovidenia. We already explained dovidenia. And dobrú chuť. This is also very frequent when you eat. When you are starting your meal, when you're starting to eat, you can say dobrú chuť, which means something like, how it is in English, bon appetit. Bon appetit, it's dobrú chuť. And the answer is ďakujem, vám. Okay, I promised that we will have a short break, so I will see you in 10 minutes, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so
Thank
10
you.
minutes break, and then we will continue. Okay, thank you guys.